Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the following request if you have got any. If you want to confirm or delete any of the following requests, then you can access the following request by clicking on the home button first, and then you can see this little heart icon at the top right. Click on this heart icon, and here you can see that if there are any follow requests present, they will be shown here in the follow request option. Click on this arrow and it will list out all of those follow requests which are currently pending. So if you want to confirm, then you may hit the confirm button, or if you want to delete them, you may click the delete button. So to confirm it, simply click, and here you can see that they have been successfully confirmed as your follower. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.